MLGO stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether MicroAlgo stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end to find out. Crazy increase in price of around freaking 453%. That's how much it closed. At some point of the day, it was 920 freaking percent up. That's borderline crazy. Okay, so missed the whole movement, right? This is like, I definitely made videos on MLGO beforehand, but it was just, I think, bearish bias. Then out of nowhere, we just short squeezed. When we open Monday, there's a difference between me like immediately buying or just waiting for a proper shift to then take things up and buy. That's a whole other different story, because I'm only really going to buy if I see my rules met here. And guess what I'm not going to do Monday when we open tomorrow? I'm not going to just sit and just wait for the rules to be met. I'd rather just seek them out, you know. I mean, it's just actually just going to be about the waiting game, like, to be very frank, but I'm not going to force unless the rules are met. So let me know what is your opinion on MLGO, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.